Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment before you head out. As you can see here, we're making the chakalaka recipe today. I start off by frying off onions and garlic, as you can see. After that, we add our chopped bell peppers. We have green peppers, yellow peppers, and red peppers. Then you add your spices. I showed them earlier in the intro clip. So we just add our spices and fry them along with our onions and peppers until soft. Next up, we add our grated carrots. I added about 2 carrots here, but I think you can use your own discretion on how many to use. Last but not least, we add our baked beans. And then we're just gonna let it simmer off until it is well married and looks like that.
Yeah.